take your upper wing plate that came with stage 56 and just make sure that you've got the correct one by identifying the plate with the template that you have and placing obviously the plate over the template. Now, taking a water soluble pen or marker or a pencil and just with the line here just gently mark off one edge, move it forward and then mark off the other edge, and then with a straight edge place the straight edge up to the 2 points and then just gently draw a line. Now take your rivet marker that came at the beginning of the series and we're going to be running the rivet marker along that line. So once again, take straight edge, holding it up against 2 marks and without pressing too hard, with a little bit of pressure, just run it along that line like so. And what you should have the rivet indentation on the other side of the template. Now, depending on how much pressure you put on there will determine on how you actually see the rivet marks. But you don't want to be pushing it so hard that the actual you're pushing holes into the template. Okay, so as you can see, you've got some nice rivet marks there. Now once you've done that, just gently clean that up with a small piece of emery paper on the reverse side, which you actually made the hole, the rivet marks, so that that's nice and flush. And obviously keeping this side here, and we'll be polishing these plates up, the panels up, in later stages once we start putting the stages on to the wings. Now take your wing and with some emery paper, some 800 grit, just start to gently polish up and clean up these leading edges. It's entirely up to you on how shiny you want to get those. Whether you're going to be painting, you don't want it to be chromed because obviously you don't want the paint to stick. So just clean them up, polish them up gently, just removing any burrs or any surfaces, any other marks or any raised edges that you might get. Just take a needle file and just gently clean those edges up, making sure that that's nice and polished. And that completes this stage.